Hey guys, it's Madison. Thanks for joining me in this faithful home. Today, I'm going to be opening up 6 baby registry gift boxes that you guys can get free / relatively cheap from some major companies and a few that I just happened to find out online. It would have been 7, but I didn't feel like driving to Bye Bye Baby to pick up theirs. You're welcome. I'll mention them later. And then I have a bonus one at the end for you guys. I have started to collect all of these things from different registry websites, and I thought it'd be cool to share with you guys because it's fun to see what's in these boxes. They change all the time. I've watched plenty of videos on women unboxing these different baby registry boxes, and they're always different. I have not opened any of these. I accidentally started to open the one from Baby List, not realizing that it was the registry box, but I quickly closed it, so I didn't see it. And yeah, we're just gonna go through, have a list on my phone of like the steps that it took to get the box, if it was free, if you had to buy it, kind of that jam. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Amazon registry box. So the requirements for this box: you had to, 1, create a registry with Amazon, which I did. Then you had to add 60% of their like checklist items, which they had like subcategories of each different type of thing, like clothing, feeding, diapering, bathing, that kind of stuff. 60% of their checklist was a lot, but they did have a feature where you could just like click it if you already had the item. So I kind of ended up going through and clicking a bunch just to like get to the 60% because I realized like my main registry is through Baby List, and it was way too much work trying to find it on Amazon. So I did that. So once you have those, then a minimum purchase of $10 has to be made from your registry. Now, if you want, you can wait until someone buys something from your registry, but for the sake of this video, I went ahead and bought, I think, reusable wipes. And so I purchased those. And then the only other requirement is that you have to wait until that item is shipped in order for you to qualify. So once that item was shipped, for me, I have Prime, so like 2 days later, it shipped. It gave me a thing that said you're qualified. You go back to your registry, you add this to your cart, and they will ship it to you for free. So Amazon's registry can be free, but if you want to get it quick, you have to spend $10 yourself or someone getting something from your registry. So let's go ahead and open up the Amazon box. All right, so first thing when we open, they have this cute reusable tote, which is actually very handy because I can take this to the grocery store with me. Let's go through it. We've got, looks like some different coupons and flyers for different companies are in here. Enfamil, CeraVe, Cetaphil, and more info about Amazon's baby registry. There is a pack of 3 diapers, size 1 from Huggies. There's a MAM brand anti-colic innovative baby bottle. This is the Easy Start Zero bottle. So this is great for like right when they start out. It says it's self-sterilizing, and there's a bonus start pacifier in here as well. I don't want to open these though because a lot of these I'm actually going to use as gifts for people. Oh, I see the pacifier. It may be in there. I'm going to use these for gifts for people because I have very specific like no fragrance, certain brands, natural and organic things that I'm going to use, but I wanted to do this video for you guys. But the way that I'm going to give back is probably ending up wrapping these all up as nice gifts for some of the ladies at church because we have like 6 people that are pregnant. So I won't open that. This is a cute little onesie by Carter's. It's in a size 3 to 6. It's white with little lions. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Okay, that's cute. A sample pack of water wipes. That's really nice. Let me see. Here, I'll slightly open it for you guys. Okay, little pack of water wipes. So it has 10 of them in there. That's a good little travel size. There's a few sample products in here. So this is Dreft laundry detergent. This is actually not a good detergent. You should not use Dreft, but they still give you a sample. Smarty Pants prenatals. So if you are getting this like while you're still pregnant, a sample of electrolytes and breastfeeding supplement in berry. Okay, so this is like to support breastfeeding. Little sample pack there. Another coupon code. A little washcloth. It's white with gray. And then we have hand sanitizer spray. That's very nice. This is a lavender scent, which again, I'm not using any fragrances, but I will definitely be giving this to one of my friends friends. And then 3 more little sample things. We have a sample Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo, a sample moisturizer by Survey, I don't know, however you pronounce it, and then a sample of Aquaphor diaper cream. All right, so all in all, I am really impressed with all the things we got from the Amazon registry. I definitely will be keeping the bag and maybe a few of these things, but the rest I will package up together for my friends. I've been an Amazon Prime member for quite a long time, so I'm actually really glad that they did something like really substantial. And this is a great little haul for someone. So yeah, there's the first box. All right, the next one we are going to open is from Target. So for the Target registry, all you had to do for this one is create a registry on their website, and then you go in person to pick up the goodie bag. So when I went, it's based off availability for your store, but you just go in. I showed them like the registry app on my phone. They had to scroll through and find the specific button to push to find like the barcode, but there's somewhere in your app is a barcode, and then they scan that to say that you have received your purchase, and then they hand you this cute little bag. Again, I love that there is a reusable bag. It has a snap on there, which is really cool. So let's open this one up. All right, so first thing is another set of 3 diapers in size 1 from Huggies. Ooh, Millie Moon is the brand of diapers that I want to have as like backup. We are doing cloth diaper like I mentioned, but trying to do like an 80-20. So if we need to use disposables, we will. Millie Moon is the brand that I am going to use. So this is a set of 2 diapers in the size 1. I like that they added a couple different types of diapers in there. My receipt showing that I got it. Another pack of water wipes, some Dreft laundry detergent, Aquaphor. This one is in a different little bottle, but it's also like a little Aquaphor one-time sample thing. We've got a Boogie wipes. There is 1 wipe in there, and this is fragrance free, which is very nice. Oh wow, they hooked you up in Target. Here's the Honest brand water wipes. There's 10 in this pack as well. Here's a catalog, which your exclusive welcome kit details are waiting. Oh, this is like how to join the Target circle. Find offers. Your exclusive welcome kit details are waiting. To get your offers, download the Target app, go to Target Circles, find the Target Circle under Baby Registry. I think this is a digital, or this is like a piece of paper to show the digital coupons, which actually is kind of nice. Save paper, don't have a bunch of different coupons in here, but have it all like online, which actually I really like that. This is a Lancinol, 2 breast milk storage bags, and 2 disposable nursing pads. So if you are breastfeeding, which I intend on doing, I'm also going to be pumping. So having 2 spare bags is always handy. I'm going to get like the Haka reusable bags, but it's always nice to have extra. They sent a Dr. Brown's bottle, which it's cool to have a variety of bottles because you never know what your baby is going to like or prefer. Wow, they also sent a Philips Advent bottle. I'm very impressed right now. And Palmer's cocoa butter. Oh, for stretch marks. That's neat. So something for the mom, little sample pack, and then a sample pack of Desitin. All right, so overall, Target did not disappoint. You have several packs of wipes, several packs of diapers, few bottles to choose from, and some samples. So that was a really good haul, especially for it being free. Like you didn't have to do anything except create a registry. All right, since we're on the name brands with Amazon and Target, let's move on to the Walmart one next. So here's the Walmart baby registry box. From them, you had to, again, just create a registry on their website. You didn't even have to add that many things to it. Then there will be a spot where you can copy the URL for your registry and paste it into this like search bar looking thing on their website. You hit submit and you hope for a box. I really wasn't sure what to expect with Walmart. They said it could take several months, and like the reviews people have talked about online said it took them several months to get their box, and so I just had no idea. They had no like tracking info or anything on email, like nothing. So I just took a shot in the dark and hit submit, and a month later this showed up. So pretty cool. It says knock knock, who's there? That's cute. Let's open this one. Woo, something is strong in here. Oh, this is why I don't use fragrance. Okay, first off, there's a little card. It says, congrats, I'm so delighted you chose Walmart Baby to be part of your special journey. I'll be here to help you build your dream registry and along with anything else you need along the way. I can't wait. Your registry assistant, Who. I like the branding. That's super cute. Oh, and then it gives you some perks on the back here, and then top brands that they have at Walmart. Okay, so going right away, Mommy's Bliss Gripe Water. This is a good little sample of gripe water. Another set of Huggies diapers. This is Baby Dove Sensitive Skin Care. What is this? Oh, baby wash, little sample size. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest, tiniest little bottle of Aquaphor for baby rash. Okay, there is a Dr. Brown's pacifier in size 0 to 6 months and a Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle. So another bottle in there. Really guys, if you want to like test out a bunch of different bottles, get a bunch of these different registry boxes, because so far you could see like the 3 we've done have been pretty much free, and we've gotten a bottle or 2 in them. So you can get a good stash without having to spend money. This is A&D Prevent Ointment. Okay, so another diaper rash ointment. Ooh, I like that they added this. This is neat. This is Liquid IV in Tangerine. So Liquid IV is like an electrolyte enhancing water thing, like hydrator. I drink Drip Drop, but Liquid IV is great for like milk production if you are breastfeeding, because it keeps you hydrated. And then we have from Abbott, there is, looks like some helpful tips and resources in this pamphlet. Liquid IV. Okay, so each of the companies gave a little pamphlet in there. And then there's something in this envelope that I don't know what it is. Oh, that's cute. They're the little, wait, where's the 1 month? They're the little cards that say like how old they are. There's 2 months, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, 1 month is not included in here. Your baby does not get to be a month old. That's weird. Okay, these are cute to use as little pictures. I'm gonna probably make my own, but these are super cute. It would be a lot nicer if there was the 1 month with it, because I feel like that should have been in here. Well, they missed the mark just a little bit, but this is cute. And it looks like on the back, they have a QR code for each of the fun little things that you would need at that developmental milestone. So yeah, I like this. Missed the mark on there not being the 1 month. You tried, Walmart. But overall, a good little box, especially for it being free. Like, you can't complain with a free box, guys. Okay, the next one I'm going to choose from is a brand that I've never heard of before, but I Googled like different registry like boxes that you could get. And so this is called Noobie box. Basically, you visit their website, you fill out this form, you pay $10.95 for shipping, and then mine was delivered in a week. So this one you do have to pay for. I have no idea what's inside it. Never heard of Noobie box. Honestly, don't even remember what they are right now, because like I know Target, Walmart, Amazon, and Babylist. Never heard of Noobie box, but $10.95, I took a shot with it. So let's open it up. This box is really cute though. It says, congratulations on your pregnancy. Celebrate a new life. Open here. Oh wow, look how cute that is. Can you see that? That's pretty. I don't want to mess it up. Oh wow, that's really pretty on the inside. So starting off at the top, got Cuties Complete Care, Smart Skin, what are these? Oh, 5 diapers in a size 1 on a brand that I've never heard before. Let's see, free of chlorine, bleach, any dyes and lotions, dryness layer cotton day and night. Let's see what their ingredients. Certifiably sourced fluff, non-toxic, chlorine-free, breathable. Okay, this is cool. I like this. It's hypoallergenic and dermatologically tested. Cuties Complete Care. Cool. 5 diapers. A little bit of nipple balm, so a sample from Lancino. Spring Milk Flow Lactation Supplement Drink in the chocolate flavored. Oh, we got this in the other box, I think the Amazon one, but we got it in berry flavored, so this is the chocolate flavored version of that. Morning Prep Prenatal. Okay, 5 prenatals. But here is a little sample of prenatals. Another thing of Aquaphor. Turmeric Spiced Herbal Tea. Ooh, a tea packet. I really like this. This box is hitting all the check marks. Palmer's Cocoa Butter. Belly Butter. Ooh, okay. Tea Drops. matcha green tea, and it's a little block that you put in and make some matcha. That's cool. Never seen it packaged like that. Oh, and they gave you another one. Ooh, a citrus ginger. Okay, yum. I know what I'm gonna be drinking after this. Let's see. Hair and body baby wash. Okay, it looks like a little, like 1 fluid ounce. Very cool. Little sample size. What do we have here? Oh my goodness, these are adorable. Even flow balance. These are suitable flows for preemies. They are little bottles. They are tiny. They're 2 ounces each. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is adorable, and I love that they made it for preemie babies. Free sample inside. Sample not for resale. Maternity. Mystery box. Okay, I am curious about this mystery box. Let's open it. Oh, okay. Incognito maternity pad. That's neat. It's a maternity kit. Oh, it's like a little panty liner for like daily discharge, menstrual leakage, bladder leakage. This will be good, like 3rd trimester stuff, because you get a lot of fluids and discharge. And so, okay, that's really cute. I like the packaging. It's subtle, like you wouldn't know what's inside it, but it's really cute. We got another thing of the breast milk storage bags from Lamentations. And the last thing in this box is another set of the water wipes. Wow, I am very impressed with this box. Like, for paying $10.95, I had no idea what I was gonna get, but I really love these little bottles. Those are super cute. Getting some wipes, some different brands of diapers is really nice. I love the teas that they sent. That is really cool. And the little pads to think of mama. So very much appreciate this box. And I very much did not put it back well. Okay guys, so after going through all the footage and editing it, I realized this video is going to be very long, and so I'm going to split it up into 2 parts. We are going to stop here for today, and then the second half of this video I will post on Saturday as a bonus video for you guys. That way it breaks it up a little bit. 30-something minutes for one video is a long video, so check back in a couple days for part 2, and I will see you guys in a little bit.